Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Autocad executable location. This matters because rules target that file. Once located, run Windows Defender Firewall as an administrator. You need elevated rights to change rules. Create a new outbound rule and select program, then browse to the Autocad exe. This first actionable step prevents outbound requests immediately when enabled, and it's faster than blocking ports first. Make sure to name the rule clearly, so you can revert it later without guessing which rule affects Autocad. Now configure the rule to block the connection and apply it to domain, private, and public profiles, so Autocad cannot access networks in any context. If Autocad uses separate processes for licensing or updates, create additional block rules for those executables too. This avoids unexpected callbacks. If you prefer a port-level approach, identify Autodesk service ports and block them. However, program-level rules are more robust. Once done, double-check rule precedents and ensure no allow rule overrides your new blocks. Finish by testing Autocad while disconnected from the internet. Observe any licensing prompts or update failures that indicate blocking worked. If the application still reaches the network, inspect active outbound rules for conflicting allows, check Windows group policy entries, and verify other security software isn't exempting Autocad. As a safety measure, export your firewall rules before major changes so you can revert quickly. If problems continue, temporarily disable the rule to restore functionality while you diagnose further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.